I don't want the ball. I don't have it. I don't know where it is. Oh. Why are you always settled down until I start videotaping? Huh? Hey guys, it's me, Annie, and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would do a little bit of a tag just because I figured, well, you don't really know a lot about me and I don't have enough subscribers to do a Q&A yet. So I thought I would just find some questions, like a tag on the internet for YouTube, and answer some of those questions for you. I'm gonna disclaim this again. Sorry how bad I look. I know I'll look like this, or I did look like this in another video, but like I said, I'm not one to change. So we are going to do this. My hair is a little ratchet because I was shoveling snow for work today, and it was snowing while I was doing it, so I wasn't gonna do my hair for that. So anyway, so I'm just gonna look at my phone and let's answer some of these questions. So number one, what is your middle name? My middle name is Anne. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow, and I have a lot of colors. Yellow is my first. And disclaimer, there are dogs playing in the background and I can't get them to stop, so. Who was your first best friend? That would probably be, her name was Susie. We went to church together. And that's the one I can remember being my first best friend. How tall are you? I am 5'6" and a half. Little less than a half. Cats or dogs? Definitely dogs. Funniest moment throughout school? I don't know. I guess my funniest / fun moments were in high school. I did color guard and I loved it, and I can't remember, the bus rides were always funny and stuff like that, but that's the only funny thing I can remember. How many countries have you visited? I've only been to the United States. Well, I live in the United States. That's all I've been to. Are you in, or have you gone to college? I have not gone to college, nor am I in college. I do plan to. I don't know when, if I just want to do it online while I'm raising my kids at home. Right now I am getting my personal training, so I'm teaching myself, but no, I don't go to college, but I want to. What was your favorite / worst subject in high school? My favorite was history. I am a history nerd, and I really like the teacher. I liked World Civ. Was that what it was? That wasn't it. Maybe it was Western Civ. It was Western Civ. And one of my favorite teachers taught that class, and I loved that one. Same with, she taught another one, U.S. history, I think. So I really liked history. She made it a lot more fun. Hey. And then my least favorite was probably Latin. I only took it for a semester. My teacher was the meanest person on the planet, and I did really good in that class, but I dropped it and I went to Spanish, but Latin would definitely be the worst. The teachers make all the difference, whether you have a good experience or a bad, and that also depends on the subject. But I did really like history. What is your favorite drink? I really love water, and I love pink lemonade. What is your favorite animal? Definitely a cow. I call them moo-moos, and I love them so much. What is your favorite perfume? I don't really have a favorite perfume, not one that I can think of. I really like some Victoria's Secret smells, and there was another one that Katy Perry, Justin Bieber, I don't know. I usually just buy the Bath & Body Works, so I don't have a specific smell that I love, or I haven't found it yet. Tea or coffee? Neither. I'm not a coffee drinker. I don't like coffee. And tea, I'm not a fan of tea, except for when I'm sick with herbal tea and some lemon. But I am gonna try to drink some more like lemon water or the stuff my sister gave me for Christmas. I got some herbal tea from her. I'm gonna try that out and see if I like it. But I haven't found an herbal tea that I love. And I don't like green tea or black tea. What would you or have you name your children? I have not, and there is only one girl's name that I absolutely adore and one boy's name, but I don't want anybody to know that, so you'll find out later. I don't want anybody stealing my kids' names. What sports do you play? Have you played? I played basketball in middle school. I did gymnastics when I was little. I danced when I was little. That was about it. And I did color guard, but I guess that's considered a club, not a sport. What is your favorite book? I really like the Harry Potter books. I know like everybody loves the Harry Potter books, but I really got into reading those and I love them. Same with the first Hunger Games. And those are the only ones I can remember. Number 17, who are some of your favorite YouTubers? So I have a lot of YouTubers and I might forget some, but here are the ones I can think of on the top of my head. So for fitness wise, my female favorites are Heidi Summers or Buff Bunny, Nikki Blackketer, Amanda Bucci, and Sarah from Sarah Days. Love her. Guys, Max Tuning, I think is how you say it, Max. And then I will watch Christian Guzman's videos as well, but I like, not all the time. It's not like the one I click on first, but his are pretty good too. And then for like regular slash beauty YouTubers, I love Roman Atwood. If you have not seen his vlogs, I like binge watch all of his YouTube videos, and usually if I'm scrolling down to look which one I want to click next, it's always Roman Atwood, hands down Roman Atwood. And then for beauty, I love Casey Holmes and Candy Johnson and Manny MUA, and I know there's some more that I'm forgetting, but I'm gonna go with that right now. Okay, so my next one is number 18. What is your favorite movie? Anything to do with Smurfs or Minions. Any movie that has to do with those two, those are my favorite. Oh, and Hotel Transylvania, the first one. I like that one too. I watched that. Hey! Stop! I watched those. Mia, go lay down. They're bugging. I'm sorry. Those are my favorite. Hotel Transylvania. Are you single or taken? I am married, so I am taken. What's your idea of an ideal first date? I'm just kind of a chill back movies and bowling. Take a girl bowling and movies and dinner. Or just do the bowlings and dinners. You can forget the movie. Bowling. How many girlfriends / boyfriends have you had? So I've been dating before I married my husband, I dated him for 6 years. I dated 5 people before him. And I started dating him in freshman year, so I feel like that's when it counts. So technically he would be my only boyfriend that was serious. All the other ones were like middle school and elementary school. But I'm gonna still count them. I wish you could see this. Let me see if I can turn you around. So in case you're wondering what they're doing behind me, Mia is on top of JoJo, playing with the ball and trying to keep her from it. Hey, Mia, get off JoJo. She's on top of JoJo, trying to save the ball, get the ball away from her. Okay, anyway, so, the next one is favorite memory from your childhood. Is definitely when Alex and I were best friends growing up. And I'm gonna tell you a quick story about how we met. So he went to church with me. Actually, we met when we were like 5 years old. And he moved into my ward and we became pretty good friends and we rode bikes together and stuff. My sister and his sister were best friends growing up. And so that's how we knew each other. And so we've known each other for that long. We're 21 years old now and we've been dating since I was a freshman. But my favorite memories is definitely always have him in my favorite memories. Things like when we rode the bikes or went swimming, played with water balloons, when he used to like try to get spiders off the fence and throw them at me, even though I hated that. I had a massive crush on him, so I loved it at the same time. I hate spiders though. Guys! Sorry. Okay, so my next question is 23. Do you speak any different languages and how well? No, I don't speak any other languages. I took Spanish for 2 years and my first teacher didn't really teach me that well, and so I kind of just, it was hard to get through the second year. I still passed it with like an A, but I don't remember anything. And then when I was working, I worked with somebody who spoke Spanish and she used to teach me words, but I forgot most of those too. Sorry, Rocio. Do you have any siblings? I do. I have 2 sisters. And I'm the middle child. How would you describe your fashion sense? I am so laid back, country style. Like I love plaids. Okay, so comfy as in I love yoga pants and a good workout shirt, sports bra, all the way. For when I'm going out, I'm more of a country girl. I love boots and jeans. Not that much, but I wear them with my outfits. And I like jeans and boots and a plaid shirt. That's my go-to. I love that. And then like a florally kind of stuff. I don't know. It's, if you get what I'm saying, that's my fashion sense. Sandals definitely, sandals all the way in the summer, boots in the winter, running shoes and comfy shoes every time else. What is your favorite restaurant? Oh, what is it? I don't know. I don't think I have a favorite restaurant. She's handing me her bowl. No. Go lay down. Go away. Okay. I have no idea what my favorite restaurant is. No, Mia, I don't want. No, now I've got hiccups. This video is gonna take forever to film. Okay, guys. Sorry, I have hiccups now. I don't know what my favorite restaurant. Oh my gosh, what my favorite restaurant is. I'm gonna try to finish this. Oh, what are some of your favorite TV shows? I love The Flash, Friends, How I Met Your Mother, Fairy Tale is my nerd one. Is it called Pretty Little Liars? I'm sorry, Pretty Little Liars. I love you too. Lay down. There's definitely some more. I just can't remember them. I really like Jane. And I loved Fuller House. And that baby one. I don't remember. I'm giving up on that one. Those are my favorite shows. And then PC or Mac. Oh my gosh, PC or Mac. I have a PC, or I've only had PCs, but I really want a Mac. Is that a good answer? What phone do you have? I have an iPhone 6, is 16 gigabytes. Tell us one of your bad habits. Oh, I have a lot. One of my slamming the trunk door, like the trunk of my car. Alex always gets so mad at me. That and saying the word and like a lot, as you can probably tell from this video. So that is all 30 questions. I hope you got to know me a little bit more. Please give this a thumbs up. I'm gonna try to do these once a month, just to until I get it built up for a Q&A, so you can learn a little bit about me. There we go again, see? So I will actually see you in the next video. I love you. Bye. I didn't want to kiss my hand. Huh? What you doing, Mia? Is that your ball? What are you doing?